Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 S450 4MATIC. This one's a ruby black metallic. Underneath it's a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. A silk beige leather interior. Panorama sunroof. This one does come with the warmth and comfort package, which is going to give you front and rear heated and cooled seats. Coming around back, we've got our S450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, set of clean floor mats, all season and regular. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, a glass burl walnut wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Also included the driver's assistance package. Got a glass burl walnut and leather steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, cup holders, hard keys for a media display, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This S450 has 29,432 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.